There it is. It's that two-step thing, big baby.
Southern ladies.
Now check this out, y'all. If you're in the club, get ready to come on out on the dance floor. If you're driving in your car, pull a car and get out on the sidewalk. But if you're at home listening to the radio, cooking some greens and some chicken, go on and cut them pots off and get ready to do this. Come on, y'all. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Come on. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Come on. Now you take it to the back, then you move it to the front. Now dip, just dip, just dip. I'll repeat that, y'all. 2 steps to the right. Keep that going.
Ice cream and candy are special treats, but love from a southern woman is just as sweet. Like a broken arm, it can't be beat. It feels as good as new shoes on your feet. Now she's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty smile. Southern ladies, will make you feel good. So good, so good. Southern ladies, do it like that lady should. Yes they do, yes they do. Her favorite words are thank you with a smile. She's always polite, a mother to every child, a friend to everyone who needs help along the way. You're always here telling folk, don't forget to pray. Talking about the southern ladies, talking about the southern ladies, talking about the southern ladies, talking about the southern ladies. She's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty smile. Southern ladies, will make you feel good. So good, so good. Southern ladies, do it like that lady should. Yes they do, yes they do. Southern ladies, talking about those southern ladies.
Y'all, I had to do this remix for all the folk out there that like the two-step, and I dedicate this to all the southern ladies. I appreciate how y'all keeps it real. Y'all ain't fake, you know what I'm saying? And I love that in you. This song also goes out to the ladies that might not be from the South. You just might be raised by somebody from the South, or just have southern ways. I like that in you, big baby. Keep that southern flavor going.
She's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty smile. Southern ladies, southern ladies, will make you feel good. Make me feel so good. Yeah. Southern ladies, I'm talking about those southern ladies, like that lady should. She's always doing it like a
about over with, but we're gonna keep it going. Come on. 2 steps to the right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come on. 2 steps to the right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come on. Now you take it to the back, and you move it to the front, come on. Now dip, just dip, just dip. Last time. 2 steps to the right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come
Will
on.
make you feel
2 steps to the
good.
right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come on.
Circulating,
Come on. And you move it to the front, come on.
do it like a lady should.
B-I-G-G-R-O-B, Big Bang, Big Rob.